Beautiful friends, welcome to Eat Eastern and channel. Let's make a vibrant summer salad with black and brown beans. So just boil some beans in a pressure cooker. You don't have to buy canned stuff. And when you're boiling them, you can manage the flavor. We are going to add some taco seasoning to make it delicious. So when boiling, I add some salt, some pepper and some taco seasoning. Just enough water so that the beans are cooked. Yeah, that's the seasoning that I use that lends a great flavor to this simple salad. Next, add some chopped onions. If you don't like raw onions, you can skip them, but this lends a good crunch to our salad. Next, we are adding some fresh cucumbers. They are readily available in summer and they help cool the body down. For some color, you can add bite-sized pieces of chopped bell peppers, yellow, green, red ones, whichever you like, and some corn. Corn adds some sweetness to our dish, and of course my kids love corn. That's it. Just garnish it with some cilantro leaves and then we'll mix all these ingredients. I didn't add tomatoes because sometimes tomatoes can make the salad a little soggy, especially if you're going to eat it at a later time. Once you have mixed these ingredients, then we are going to finish it off by adding some Chipotle Sea salt for that nice Mexican flair. You can just add regular salt or rock salt, Himalayan sea salt, and for some heat, a little pinch of black pepper. And for the dressing, we are just using some lemon juice. You don't have to make it creamy, you don't have to make it heavy. Lemon juice gives it a nice tang and keeps it fresh and vibrant. So black pepper in. If you want a little bit more spice, you can add in paprika or even jalapenos. And this salad tastes great on a hot summer day with your barbecue meal, or if you're not in a mood to cook, you can just put these things together. Lemon juice is in, about half a lemon juice. This salad stores really well too. And that's it. We've put it together beautifully. Now it's ready to be enjoyed. Hope you like this recipe idea, guys. Give it a try in your own kitchen. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting stuff.